Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Edith. How you guys doing today? I hope you are keeping fit, you are eating healthy and living healthy. Guess what I'm going to show you guys today? How to make delicious fried rice, my own ultra fried rice. Okay, what do we need to make this fried rice? We need spring onion. Guys, look at this. We need shrimp. We need onion, red onion. I'm going to be using red pepper and green pepper. Chop it neatly. I'm using minced vegetables. And I'm going to be using chicken stock to make this fried rice today. I'm using 100% olive oil. I'm going to use thyme, curry, and salt. And for those that like to use Knorr Maggi, go ahead and use it. But I am using grounded crayfish as my Knorr Maggi today. So let me show you how to make this chicken stock, okay? So I'm going to show you how to make this stock, chicken stock that you will use to make the fried rice. Get your chicken, wash it very well. Put your onions. I use 1 onion on this chicken. 1 onion, 1.5 tablespoon of curry powder, half tablespoon of thyme. Put your salt in, half nutmeg. Grate it into it. 3 bay leaves. Salt to taste, and also put garlic, 3 cloves of garlic in, and a little piece of ginger. Then what else did I add to this? Yeah, little piece of ginger. Then I put 3 tablespoons of crayfish, grounded crayfish. I don't use Knorr Maggi. For those that use Maggi, you can use 2 Knorr Maggi for your chicken. Then because I didn't use it, I used 3 tablespoons of grounded crayfish. So you need to make sure that all these spices enter into the chicken very well. Marinate it very well, and don't add water to it yet. Then put it on fire, let it cook. After it's cooked and brings out its own water, you can add like 2 cups of water into it. That water will be the sauce that you are going to use to make your fried rice. So stay tuned for the real fried rice, guys. So hi guys, so the chicken sauce is ready. Like I said earlier on, for you to get the chicken sauce, you need to marinate your chicken, cook it, and let the water comes out itself. Don't add water at the beginning. Then after cooking for a while, let's say 30 to 1 hour, the water will come out. Then add 2 cups of water to it. Depends on how many stock that you need, chicken stock that you need. So like this, you can see, it's ready. So stay tuned for the fried rice. So now this stock I'm gonna use to make my fried rice. I will show you how I do it. And this means we're going to the oven. I will grill it a little bit, and that's what we're gonna use to eat the fried rice. So stay tuned, guys. The chicken sauce is ready. We're gonna wash our rice. This is 4 cups of rice. Wash your rice, put it in the chicken sauce, add some water to it, add some curry and thyme and salt. Okay, tablespoon of curry over. There's salt already in the sauce. I don't need to add salt. Then cover it and let it cook. Hi guys, so I'm back. So we're gonna fry the sauce for the fried rice. So I have all my ingredients here. Onions first, okay. So okay, just a little bit of oil you need, not much, like this spoon. Okay, then cover it for 5 minutes, let it the onion cook, then I'll put my rest ingredients in it. So the next thing is to put our spring onion. Sprinkle it. Then we'll cover it for 5 minutes. Then we'll add other ingredients to it. Add your green pepper and your red pepper. Cover for 5 minutes. So add your mixed vegetable to it. So and add your gizzard. Salt to taste. We're going to add half tablespoon of curry. Give it thyme. Salt to taste. Fried rice is ready, guys. So the fried rice is ready. Here we go. So we're going to add this to the rice, okay? The rice that you already pumped. Add your rice to this and your fried rice is what? Is ready. So if you like this video, please comment, click on the subscribe button so you can have access to my weekly information. Okay, hi guys, the fried rice is ready. I just want to taste it. Let's taste it. Wow. It tastes really yummy. So I've come to the end of this video. If you like my video, please comment, click on the subscribe button, support me, okay? Encourage me, okay, by subscribing to my channel. Share this video with friends and family. All right, so till then, eat healthy, live healthy, and be healthy. Bye for now.